Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Relieving mental stress. NMMC call centers health updates of ICU and ventilator patients' relatives. Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation (NMMC) has started call centers to keep relatives of patients admitted to its facilities updated on the medical condition of the patient. The facility is proving especially helpful to those admitted to ICU or are on ventilators, as the families are unable to stay in touch with them. Asymptomatic patients and those with mild symptoms are admitted to COVID care centers, and they are allowed to keep in touch with their families through their mobile phones. It is, however, not possible for relatives to stay in touch with their patients in ICU or those on ventilators. This leads to mental stress. These call centers are meant to relieve the stress of their families. According to Navi Mumbai Municipal Commissioner Abhijit Bangar, a call center has been set up at NMMC's dedicated COVID health centers at CIDCO Exhibition Center to inform about the medical condition of the patients to their relatives. He added, in case of patients who are admitted to ICU beds or those who are on ventilators, relatives have difficulty in getting information on their health. Taking this into account, we have started special call centers at NMMC facilities with ICU beds and ventilators at Dr. D.Y. Patil Hospital and MGM Hospital in Kamote. The call centers establish contact with the relatives every day and give them the latest health update of the patient. Informed Bangar, relatives of over 200 patients are given information from the D.Y. Patil Hospital call centers every day. If the families need additional information, a panel of doctors interacts with them from 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. at the flu clinic every day. Similar arrangements have been made at MGM Hospital Kamote from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. From Navi Mumbai, Junaid Jetty, Avas Today.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.